Hello children, this is Seema Singh again with a new video. In my yesterday's video, I told you the swallow helped the poor man and the poor girl. And now the swallow decided that it will not go back to the warmer place but will be with the prince, because now the prince has become blind and he is not able to see anything. And so the swallow decided that it is going to be with the prince till the end, so that prince can see through his eyes. Okay, it can tell the prince about the happening around the country. Okay, now let's start with section 3. I'm reading it out, page number 66. The prince wanted Swallow to fly over the town and tell him what he saw. One day the swallow saw two little boys sitting under the bridge trying to keep each other warm. Along came a policeman and told them to go home. He did not know that they had no home to go. They just got up, went out hand in hand into rain. When he heard this, the prince was very sad. I have no gems left, he said, but my clothes are made of gold. You must pluck off a bit and give it to those poor children. So I told you, now the prince told the swallow that he should take a round of the town and should tell him what is happening around in the town. The swallow flew over the town and he saw the two little boys sitting under the bridge, and they were sitting very close to each other so that they can keep themselves warm. Okay, then suddenly a policeman came and told the two boys to go home. But as these two boys were not having home, they put hand in hand and they went out in the rain. Okay, and when the swallow saw this, he went and told the prince that he saw two boys. And so the prince said, now I have got no gems left, so you can do one thing. My clothes are also made of gold. You can pluck a bit of it and you can give to the poor children. Okay, now I'm reading further, children. Every day the swallow saw someone who needed the help, and before long all the gold on the prince had been given away. He stood on the top of the pillar looking dull and grey. But the faces of the children were no longer white, their cheeks and red, and their thin arms, legs grew nice and round. They were no longer had to beg for bread. Okay. And every day the swallows used to see something and it used to go and tell the prince. And every day the prince used to give little gold to the needy people and used to help them. At last, now the prince lost all the gold from his clothes and he became very dull and grey. Now the prince became dull and grey, but everybody in his kingdom became very happy. The children became fat, they had a red cheeks, their arms and the legs grew nice, and they became round means they became plumpy, mote taje ho gaye the. And now nobody used to beg in the town. Okay children, I am reading. Then the snow came. The little swallow got colder and colder, but he would not leave the prince. At last he knew that his end had come. Goodbye, dear prince, he whispered as he fell at the statue's feet. Goodbye, replied the prince, and something broke inside him. It was his heart. Okay, and as I told you, it was a cold country. Day by day the climate became colder and colder. The swallow could not bear the cold, and all of a sudden she came to know that now I could not bear any more cold and my end has come. End has come means अब वो सह नहीं सकती, अब वो मरने वाली है. तो she went to the prince's eyes and told him goodbye, and she fell at the prince's feet. Okay, the prince also replied goodbye, and something broke into his body. Okay, into his heart, that is, his heart broke. The prince became very unhappy and his heart broke inside his body. Next day what happened? The mayor and the councillor passed by the pillar, looked at the statue. Dear me, how shabby our prince look, they cried. He seems to have lost all his gems and someone has stolen his gold clothes. And look, there's a dead bird at his feet. We can't have that here. It must be taken away at once. We did better take the statue down, said the another councillor. We did put a better one in its place. Who shall we put this time? Mine, of course, said the mayor. They took down the prince statue and melted the lead to make the new one. But the workmen found the broken heart inside that would never melt. They threw it on the dust heap where the little bird swallow was lying. That night, God told the angels, "Bring me the most precious thing in the town." They brought him the broken heart and the dead swallow. And the God said, "You are right. The little bird shall always sing in my garden of paradise, and the happy prince shall praise my name forever." Okay, so I told you the mayor and the councillor were passing by. When they saw the prince statue on the pillar, they said that it looks very dirty and old, and this prince statue should be removed. Then one of the councillors said, "Okay, we will remove the statue, but whose statue shall we place in its place?" मतलब उसकी जगह पे हम दूसरे किसकी statue लगाएंगे? तो then the mayor said, "Mine, of course." Then the prince statue was removed from the pillar and the lead was melted so that new statue can be prepared from the melted lead. Okay, the whole body of the prince melted, but only his broken heart couldn't melt. उसकी पूरी बॉडी प्रिंस की मेल्ट हो गई, बट जो उसका हार्ट था सिर्फ वही मेल्ट नहीं हो पाया. तो उन्होंने बहुत बार ट्राई किया उसको मेल्ट करने के लिए, बट स्टिल द हार्ट couldn't be melted. And at last the worker decided that they are going to throw this broken heart. They threw the broken heart near the dead swallow's body. Okay, and that night in the heaven, God told the two angels to get the two most precious thing. धरती पे से जो सबसे अच्छी चीज़ें, दो ऐसी चीज़ें तुम लेकर आओ. God ने अपनी परियों को बोला, right? And then they came down and they took the happy prince broken heart and the dead body of the swallow. When the God saw this, he became very happy and he told the angels, "Yes, you brought the right thing. These are the two most precious thing from the earth." And the God told that this bird, swallow bird, shall become the bird of paradise. वो उस स्वर्ग की चिड़िया बन जाएगी और आज से वो हमारे स्वर्ग में गाना गाएगी. और जो हैप्पी प्रिंस है वो हमेशा हमारे नाम की माला जपेगा. मीन्स गॉड इज देयर, ऐसा सबको बताएगा कि यू शुड हेल्प अदर्स. व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू हेल्प अदर्स, गॉड विल बी very happy. So children, the moral of the story is you should help in spite of not having anything. या अगर तुम्हारे पास कुछ भी न हो तो भी अगर तुम किसी को हेल्प करो तो गॉड वो देख के बहुत खुश होते हैं और वो भी तुम्हें रिटर्न में कुछ अच्छी चीज़ गिफ्ट करते हैं. सो यू शुड हेल्प द पीपल व्हेन दे आर इन need. So children, this is all for today. See you tomorrow with another video. Till then, goodbye.